you apart from all the other women here. Other than your coochie don't stink.
Yeah.
Of course my shit is squeaky clean, bitch. And f***ing lasered. You know that shit is buttery smooth and wet.
I mean, the absurdities that are coming out of these women's mouth is... I'm taken aback. But I'm also taking forward.
Cam2 fan says, what happened to shame? Where did that go?
Who coochie stink the worst? Who in there got that coochie coo? Who got the coochie coo?
I'm not picky. Make sure you smell good, look good, taste good.
Have you dated a black guy before? That's the real question.
Well, my ex was mixed.
I had zero fun in
That's
college.
close enough. Yeah, hell yeah.
And like, I black guys. It's not a...
Oh, okay, yeah.
You ever any white...
Yeah, hey man, I dipped my stick in a couple different candy jars.
I'd peg him. Drewski, I would peg you. I don't want to scare him though. You don't have to. My name is